What's up, guys? Just a little update. My odometer is ready for the RX-7, so I'm gonna go pick that up. I just got back from work, but I'm heading out straight away. Go get that stuff, and I'll give you an update when we get back. And if I have time, we're gonna find out how much mileage is actually on that car. That makes me nervous. What's this? All right, I just got back from the speed shop from Car Fever. I got my gauge cluster piece back, that circuit board for the odometer and the speedometer. So I'm gonna try to plug that back in and see if it works. So cross your fingers, please. I hope this works, but at the same time, I'm a little scared because when I bought this car, that one, the odometer wasn't working, but I didn't notice. The guy told me that there's only 88,000 kilometers on the car, possible, but he also told me that the car was never hit in an accident. You can see from the pictures and the video, the body lines don't line up right. When I got underneath the car, one of the end links was bent, brought it for alignment, the subframe was crooked, and there was a bent tie rod. So I think the guy is full of shit. So I'm super anxious and super scared at the same time to get this odometer back in, because that's gonna tell the truth. That's gonna find out exactly how many miles are on this car or how many kilometers. And I don't know if I wanna know. I don't even know if I want you guys to know. And so I guess what happens next will have a lot to do with what the future brings for this car. Anyway, the other camera, the batteries are dead. So I'm just gonna put my phone up on the shelf here and hopefully give you guys a good view at what I'm doing as I try to put this thing back together. So let's do it. So for starters, I have to mount the Speedo back onto this panel. Now there's 4 pins on this, 4 holes in here. Some of those holes are covered with solder. What I'm gonna do to solve that problem is I have my soldering irons all warmed up. I'm gonna take apart this old airbrush because it's all messed up, corroded, whatnot. Then I use the old needle from it to poke holes through that solder once I've heated it up. In there. All right. Now that's done, this should slide right in, possibly, maybe, hopefully. Now you gotta be careful with this because there's other pins in there too that could potentially ruin your day. And it's down. Oh. Okay, it's on. Hope I didn't break that. Hold that nice and tight like so. Heat these little pieces up and hope to God that I did it right. Okay, I got a lot of solder over top of other shit. I hope I didn't do something that's gonna buzz it out. Okay, and the next step, get it back in here. If you remember from earlier, this comes up first. And this goes in here. This plug, probably should have put that in first. In the back, we got this little ribbon, but maybe we'll leave that for the end. Nah, we'll do it right now. Push it in, clip it in. Everything's got little pins, so it fits together very nicely. Should be a fail-safe kind of deal. And we finish up with the screws. So I do believe that was for the second part, which was back here. So this was here, that went there. For starters, I'm pretty sure that's accurate. So we'll screw these in. So that's definitely a part that I don't want to over tighten, so we'll go easy on it. Because that part's more or less together. I can assemble the rest of it, or we throw it in like that and test it, which might be the better idea here, because if it doesn't work, I don't know if I'm gonna take it out and try to change it for another one, or I don't know. So before we get too carried away, let's test this out. Moment of truth. I don't know where to put the camera that you guys can see too. Okay. So let's throw this sucker up here real quick. Pop up this hood because I got that safety switch on there. Don't want to lose my shades. Let's go. Let's see what we got here. Not bad at all. Mother score. He told me 88,500. There's 91,000 on the car. Close enough. Okay, that makes me happy. That's one thing down. I got a whole list of things to do in this car, so maybe I'll actually write that down, show you, and then we'll go through it one at a time. I got some other plans, some things I want to do. I'm waiting for some parts to come in, and hopefully really soon we can do something a little different that we haven't done yet, that I've been wanting to do for 7 years. So anyways, I'm gonna cut this one short because I'm gonna probably put that back together, or maybe I'll wait and I'll film that and then I'll show you that guys too. But for now, that's it for tonight. This was like a 4-day thing because I was waiting and waiting and waiting. You know, my guy's good to me, but he's always really busy. Understand? That's a good sign. If he's good and he's busy, that's the place you go. Peace. See you guys later. Stay happy, stay motivated, keep moving.